Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine by grace of Allah. Student, in 7th geography we are doing chapter 2 denudation. So today our topics for discussion are definition of denudation, types of denudation, reasons of breakage of denudation, types of weathering, reasons of erosion process, impacts of erosion and mass wasting, and in the last we will focus on measures to minimize the impacts of erosion and mass wasting. What is denudation? Look on the picture. Destruction of Earth's upper surface and the appearance of the surface of underground areas is known as denudation. Now the question 1 long Q is, which are the types of denudation? Following are the three basic types of denudation: weathering, erosion, and mass wasting. What is weathering? It is a process in which rocks are broken down into smaller pieces. This process is directly or indirectly more dependent on weather conditions. Weather conditions mean heat of sun, and precipitation means rainfall and snow. The second type of denudation is erosion. What is erosion? Thinning and removal of Earth's surface is known as erosion. This process is mostly done by rivers, glaciers, wind and coastal waves. So these are the basic factors on which erosion process depends: rivers, glaciers, wind and coastal waves. What is mass wasting? Due to gravitational force of Earth, means the attractive force of Earth, the rock stuff travel along the slope towards the lower areas. It is known as mass wasting. Second question is, which are the reasons of breakage of rocks? The first reason is, breakage of rocks is more dependent on weather conditions, heat of sun and precipitation. Due to gases in atmosphere, frost, animals and plants, breakage of rocks takes place. So this is the second major reason of breakage of rocks. Third reason is due to the temperature changes in desert areas, wear and tear process starts into rocks. Wear and tear mean broken down. So you know that in the desert, in daytime the temperature is very high, and in night temperature decreases. So the change in the temperature causes the wear and tear process of rocks. Other reason is, by the process of making holes, rocks get weakened and broken down. Due to biological weathering, rocks are broken down into pieces. Third question is, which are the types of weathering? Following are the three types of weathering: physical or mechanical weathering, chemical weathering, organic or biological weathering. What is physical or mechanical weathering? Physical weathering mostly occur in cold and dry areas. In dry and hot desert areas, temperature increases prominently at daytime and decreases at night. It results in the expansion and contraction of rocks. Do you know the meaning of expansion and contraction? Expansion means to expand, to spread, and contraction means to contract. So expansion and contraction of rocks one after the other due to this wear and tear process starts in rocks. It ultimately tears them in small fragments. Small fragments, small pieces. Ultimately, as a result. What is chemical weathering? Rocks are composed of minerals. Composed means it consists of. Chemical changes occur in these minerals when they interact with water, oxygen and carbon dioxide. These changes weaken the rocks, which ultimately break down. What is organic or biological weathering? This is the third type of weathering, organic or biological weathering. When roots of trees and bushes reaches the cracks and joints of rocks, rocks face unbearable force. Unbearable force by their growth. Unbearable can't bear. Rocks can't bear this force. So as a result, rocks broke down into small pieces. Biological weathering also occurs by different human activities. You know which can be the human activities: to make holes in the rocks, to break the rocks, to build something on the rocks like building. So due to that, rocks are also affected. Reasons of erosion process. Factors of erosion process are rivers, glaciers, winds, and coastal rivers. Transportation tends to remove the material of rock. During transportation means to travel from one place to another. So, during transportation, small pebbles are broken into small pieces. Question 5 is, which are the impacts of erosion and mass wasting? So the effects of erosion and mass wasting, the first one is impact on agriculture. The irrigation system consists of unpaved canals and small streams. The fertile layer or soil present on the surface of earth faces gradual erosion. So it flows along the water. There is very less plant life in such soil. So the irrigation system of agriculture is disturbed by erosion and mass wasting. Other factor is impacts on human settlements. Due to flow of soil and mud and landsliding in hilly area, there is usually a loss of lives and economy. Economy mean the issue related to their financial situation, related to their finance. Impact on transport system. In hilly areas, soil flows and landsliding are very common. Due to this, the roads are blocked and inhabitants of these areas are disconnected from rest of the world. So this was the major reason of the major effect on transport system of erosion and mass wasting process. Now the last long Q is, which are the measures, which are the steps we can use to minimize the effect of erosion and mass wasting. The first one step which we have to follow to control this process is, it is necessary to plant trees on the banks of the canals and streams in order to stop soil erosion by water. The smooth level of agricultural land is necessary so that water does not take away the soil. Settlement should be avoided in areas where there is a danger of erosion and mass wasting. It is necessary to stop the cutting of trees on mountain slopes and plant more trees. We should plant more trees. We should avoid cutting of trees on mountain slopes. Dangerous slopes should be abolished, should be destroyed. So student, it was all about the second chapter, chapter number 2, denudation. I have mentioned all the long cues related to this chapter. You have to focus on your learning, your concept, and you have also learned all these long cue as well. Take care. See you next.